Here's how to fix Steam freezing or lagging on your PC. Step 1. Start by opening Steam. Click Steam in the top left corner and select Settings. In the Settings window, click Downloads from the left panel. Click Clear Download Cache. Steam will notify you that you will be signed out. Confirm the action. Steam will restart automatically. Log back into your account once prompted. Clearing the download cache removes corrupted data that can cause Steam to freeze or stutter during normal use. Step 2. Run Steam as administrator. Next, close Steam completely. Right-click the Steam icon on your desktop or in the Start menu. Select Run as Administrator and confirm the prompt. Steam will now launch with full system permissions. Running Steam as administrator prevents lag and freezing caused by restricted access to system files. Step 3. Repair Steam service. If Steam continues to freeze or lag, repair the Steam service. Close Steam completely. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog. Type and press Enter. If Steam is installed on a different drive, adjust the path accordingly. Wait for the repair process to complete. Once finished, restart your computer. After restarting, open Steam normally. Repairing the Steam service fixes broken background components that can cause performance issues. After completing these steps, Steam should stop freezing and run smoothly on your PC. Subscribe for more professional Steam fixes and PC troubleshooting guides.